Hello, and welcome to our Qigong session for the wood element, featuring exercises for growth, alignment, and grounding. First of all, let's loosen up a bit. Find a comfortable standing position and begin swinging your arms from side to side. Stand firmly, but with your knees slightly bent. This will help you move more smoothly. Swing like a tree crown, intoxicated by the fresh breeze, swaying happily back and forth and shedding anything burdensome, stagnant, or limiting. And let it fade out slowly. From here, spread your arms out to both sides, palm facing up, and press your palms down from above. Open your arms and lead them upwards. Guide them past your crown, down through your center. Let's repeat this exercise a few times together. Find a pace that suits you. In terms of traditional Chinese medicine, you can understand the exercise as a fusion of yin and yang. The yin rises as you stretch and expand. The yang descends as you bring your arms together and sink into the movement. Earth lifting up and the heavens sinking down. This is an interplay of the elements that restores your energy's flow. We move on to the next exercise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or wider. Bend your knees generously and lean forward slightly. Bring your hands together in a gathering motion. The backs of your hands meet and rise up. Open them above your head and guide them down to both sides. Bring the backs of your hands together in the center. Let them rise above the center of your body. Release them and bring them back down. And now with your breath, breathe in as your hands meet and you straighten up. Breathe out as you release your hands and dive down again. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can use your breath to find the rhythm with the movement and use the movement to connect with your breath. Let's repeat this about 7 times. From here, let your hands extend out to both sides for our next exercise called pushing mountains to the side. Lower them, lift them up through the center of your body, and extend them out to both sides. Then release. Now breathe in, bring your hands upwards, then breathe out and push the mountains apart and away from you. Take a deep breath and connect with the strength in your legs. Exhale slowly and push your palms out to both sides. Let's repeat this 6 times. The next time you bring your hands up, push your palms forward and gently stretch the arms. Then turn and bring them back. Bring them up the ribs and push them forward. We form a kidney-heart connection through this movement, which creates a cycle of balance. And pull your hands back as you inhale and breathe out as you push your palms forward. And now for yourself, at your own pace, without pressure. Today's society is obsessed with speed and results, yet we could also allow ourselves to observe the process we are in and take time to cultivate the wisdom that unfolds from it. So allow yourself to find ways that will support this. Slowly return to the center and let's pause here. Next, let's do some lateral stretches. Breathe in and raise the left arm. Breathe out and gently let it lean towards the right whilst the rest of your body hangs down. Now bring your arm back and engage your right arm. Raise it as your left arm flows down. Lean to the left and feel your arm getting heavier and heavier. We'll hang in here for a moment. Now switch. With your right arm down and the left arm up. Repeat this awesome exercise a few more times for yourself and see where you'd like to stretch even deeper, giving your body exactly what it needs right now. Great. We are gradually coming to the end of this practice and we'll finish as we began. Bring your feet together. Breathe in and spread both arms out to the sides. Breathe out and bring them down through your center to your lower abdomen, where your energy center is located. Gather the qualities of fresh, natural energy and fill your body with it. Gather the qualities of fresh wood energy and fill yourself up with stability, flexibility, strength, and gentleness. Let's repeat this a few times together. Place your hands on your lower dantian and breathe in healthy, balanced wood energy that is steadfast, centered, and grounded. And take the qualities of this season with you on your own personal journey. Thank you for being here today. See you next time.